All right, made it back. So the largest size that socket that I had was this little 7/8 here. I thought that was going to work, but no, it's too small. I needed a 15/16. So just another reason to continue to build my tool collection. Now we need to get back on putting this squat rack together so I can squat all the weights. Make sure you got enough wall clearance, 45s. There's only 45s that are allowed on here. Well, guys, finished it up, and I have to say I'm very pleased with this Titan Fitness rack. Again, it's a T3 Power Full Squat Rack. The price, $310, free shipping, 1,000-pound capacity, which, you know, squatting 1,000 pounds next week, right? But my goodness, solid construction. So if you're looking for a good squat rack, whether it's for your garage or maybe you're one of my coach friends looking to put an extra one in your gym, man, $310. Anyways, here's the setup. So as you can see, I have the mat platform. I'm gonna get a couple more mats, and I'm gonna extend that wood out a little bit farther for when Stephanie and I are working out together. But man, I think it came out really good. So that's a squat rack. Full squat rack. Let me get the specs. I'll read them out to you. So again, capacity, 1,000 pounds. what you see on there other than the plates and the bar. That's what it comes with. It comes with your J hooks. It comes with the pull-up bar in the rear, which is 2 inches, 1 1/4 there on the front. It's got your safety catch there. It's got your band attachments there at the bottom here. I mean, this is a solid rack for the price. The weight is 225 pounds once it's all complete. The height is 82 inches. Inside width is 42 inches. Inside depth, 24. I mean, and the material is steel. I mean, that is some good, solid steel. So, I have no issues of squatting a lot of weight on this thing. I'm sure it's going to be a fantastic squat rack for myself and for Stephanie and whoever else wants to come play. Well, let me know what you guys think. Again, I have a lot more to add. I got kettlebells, boxes, rowers, and all that stuff coming in soon. So I'll keep you guys updated as it comes in. Have a good night.